Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to reply with a poll to a thread in X. Polls are a great way to gather opinions and engage in interactive discussions. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of replying with a poll in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Locate the app icon and tap on it to launch the application. Once you're in the app, ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Go to the post that you want to reply to. Browse through the threads and locate the post where you'd like to add a poll. Step 3. To reply to the thread, tap on the comment icon, usually represented by a speech bubble. This action will open up the comment section or the reply box. Step 4. Type in your reply in the provided text input area. Share your thoughts, ideas, or a message related to the thread. Once you've composed your text reply, it's time to add a poll. Step 5. Tap on the poll icon located in the input bar. This action will open up the poll creation interface. Step 6. Modify the poll options until they suit your needs. You can add multiple options, edit the wording, or customize the poll to align with the topic of the thread. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with the poll, tap on Reply to submit your reply with the attached poll. Your response, enriched with a poll, will now be visible to other users participating in the thread. By following these simple steps, you can easily gather opinions and engage in interactive discussions by replying with polls in X. Using polls in threads allows you to crowdsource ideas, conduct surveys, or simply gauge the community's preferences on a particular topic. Thank you for watching, and happy poll replying.